Well, the interim president of Afghanistan, Amarullah Saleh, and his forces are ready to take on the Taliban in the Panjshir Valley. Saleh has said that the Taliban terrorists have amassed forces near the entrance of Panjshir a day after they got trapped in the ambush zones of neighboring Andarab Valley. Now, Republic TV has also learned from sources that the Northern Alliance has managed to hold Baghlan province, killing more than 300 Taliban terrorists. So even as the Taliban are trying to advance into the Panjshir Valley, they have been met with stiff resistance is what we are being told at the moment. We are told that the interim president of Afghanistan, Amarullah Saleh, as well as forces of the Northern Alliance have now taken on the Taliban in the Panjshir Valley. Saleh, of course, has said that the Taliban is trying to enter the Panjshir Valley and they have so far managed to hold them off, also going on to say that they have also been able to hold on to the Baghlan province, and reports that are coming in from Amarullah Saleh seem to suggest that about 300 Taliban terrorists have been killed in this area. So essentially what we are seeing is that resistance is being mounted in various areas. One of them very, very crucial, of course, is the Del-e-Salah area of Afghanistan, and then there is the Andarab province as well as Panjshir. Now, Panjshir, if you talk about that part of Afghanistan, is a part which has never really fallen ever to any invaders. Now, whether it was the Soviets or we've seen thereafter it was the Taliban which tried to come into that area when they first came to power, this part of Afghanistan never really fell. It has a high Tajik majority, and that is why it has been held by the resistance forces of the Northern Alliance. Now, this is the tweet that came in from Amarullah Saleh, the vice president of Afghanistan, who's now called himself the caretaker president. He says, and I quote, "Talibs have massed forces near the entrance of Panjshir a day after they got trapped in ambush zones of neighboring Andarab Valley and hardly went out in one piece. Meanwhile, the Salang highway is closed by forces of the resistance. There are terrains to be avoided. See you." So that's a tweet that's coming in from him. Now, just to tell our viewers that the particular highway that he talks about in his tweet over there is extremely critical, because this is a part that whoever controls this controls access to the Panjshir Valley. So that comment that's coming in from the interim president of Afghanistan, Amarullah Saleh, currently. Well, even as we speak, of course, a considerable resistance now coming in various parts of Afghanistan. Taliban fighters continue, of course, to try to advance to areas which they don't control. They are the Andhra province, of course, as well as the Panjshir Valley. However, what we know of the resistance that has been mounted seems to suggest that it is not just Mujahideen who were from the Northern Alliance, but also Afghan army, which had surrendered earlier, but now seem to have regrouped and mounted a resistance. Let's go across to our Afghan desk to get us more details on what's happening there currently. If you can hear me, could you give us an update on what's happening over there? We have seen that tweet that came in from Amarullah Saleh a while ago.
Amarullah Saleh, who is the caretaker president of Afghanistan, has now tweeted that the Taliban has massed forces near the entrance of Panjshir. Now, Panjshir is the northern part of Afghanistan where there has been a resistance against the Taliban takeover, and this resistance, which is called the National Resistance, which is headed by Ahmad Masood and Amarullah Saleh, has been fighting the Taliban and recaptured around 3 provinces, which is now not under Taliban control. Yesterday there was a skirmish near the Panjshir province when the Taliban tried to enter the province and tried to recapture that area. They also gave the Panjshir resistance around 4 hours to surrender and take over that area, but the resistance has said no. And this is Amrullah Saleh saying that a day after they got trapped in the ambush zones of the neighboring Andrab Valley and hardly went out in one piece. They are massing forces near the entrance of Panjshir. So Salang highway, which is closed by the forces of resistance, he warns the Taliban and in fact mocks at them, saying that there are terrains to be avoided. See you. Back to you.